It's been a little while since I posted on YouTube. I'm not really going to talk too much about like why I took a break and stuff. I just got a little bit burnt out, decided to take a break. But I'm back now amidst all of the COVID-19 quarantine situation. And I thought it was a good time to come back because I feel like everybody could be using a little bit of extra distraction lately. So I thought I would just film vlog style of what I'm eating throughout the week. I'm not going to show you like every meal of every day because it would be way too long of a video. So I'll probably just show you a few things each day, some of the new stuff that I've been making recently, and yeah. It's about 11:20 right now, and I had a coffee smoothie for breakfast. You guys know it's like my favorite thing ever. But I'm going to make my new favorite breakfast sandwich. It's kind of like a chickpea omelet on bread with one of these little sausage things. Anyway, I'll show you what it is. It's really, really good. The actual egg part takes like 5 minutes maybe. So we're gonna show you how to make that right now. To make the actual chickpea omelet part, it's just going to be some chickpea or garbanzo flour, some nutritional yeast, some water, and some pepper. So that part's super easy. We're gonna do that in a bowl. This is just like my favorite like breakfast sausage patty, and just the veggies that I'm gonna be using because this is like kind of bland-ish on its own, so I like to just cook some veggies, so red pepper, green onion, and spinach. Just gonna finely chop some green onion, a little bit, because like this is small, so I just do like a little bit of the veggies. It's not, you know, to get my veggie servings in for the day. Like obviously this is like so little in the amount of vegetables that I'm using, but it's mostly just for flavor and color. A few leaves of spinach. And I just finely chop those too. So the ratio for this, I just do like 1 part garbanzo flour. Sorry, 1 part nutritional yeast to 2 parts garbanzo flour. So this is like 2 tablespoons of chickpea flour and then 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast. And this just kind of gives like a nice, maybe like a little bit less, a nice savory, kind of almost salty flavor. And then just some cracked pepper. Just stir that up. Guys, as you can see, I love reusing the, what is it called, tins from my favorite protein powder for my bulk stuff. Just a pro tip, if you have this, it's like really good for storing flour. We're just gonna do a few splashes. Basically, you just want to stir it and keep adding water until it is a pourable consistency. So you don't want it to be too thick. And it's okay if there's some lumps in it, like they'll kind of like pancakes, they'll disappear when you cook it, but this is like a tiny bit thick, so just a tiny bit more water. And you can add salt or black salt to this if you want to make it a little bit more eggy, but I find the nutritional yeast tastes pretty good to me, so it's all good. You can like double or triple this if you want to make a bunch of these, but okay, so I'm going to add just a little bit of oil into my frying pan. It's actually a lot of oil. There we go. So just a little bit of that. This is what the breakfast patty looks like, so I'm just going to fry that there. And then also cook my veggies first so that they get obviously a little bit softened, a little bit browned. I'll throw this in there too. Looks pretty good for the veggies. So this is why you want this to be like a little bit thick but also pourable so that it doesn't just run all over the pan. And then I just put a lid on it to help it cook. Cooked on top. You can just flip it. And just let it sit there. I don't put the lid back on because you don't really need to. Sausage is kind of crumbly, but oh my god. I just put on some ketchup, some hot sauce. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's definitely less of an eggy consistency than my mung bean egg mix. It honestly does the trick in stuff like this. I feel like it's a really good egg replacer when you have a bunch of other stuff and a bunch of other flavors, so I don't really mind it at all. I feel like most people could go through a carton of eggs in like 3 days if you have a family especially. So if you have like a big thing of chickpea flour like I do, you can make this for as long as you need to. Hope you guys are excited to kind of tag along this little weird isolation vlog, see what I'm eating. And I hope you're all doing well. Hope you're all staying inside, staying healthy. Show you what Hazel's doing right now. Hi, baby Haze. She's sleeping. Oh, those little paws. Oh, love her. So we amazingly have this vegan food delivery service, like a meal delivery service in Halifax. She delivers meals twice a week to like all the surrounding areas, but she's like dropping stuff off on doorsteps to limit human interaction. But I decided to get one of the meals this week because the description on Instagram just looked so good, I couldn't pass it up. So I'm gonna show you guys what it is. It is seitan and jackfruit barbecue ribs, vegan mac and cheese, and potato salad. What? It looks so good. So I think I'm gonna heat this up and have some of it right now because it is now 1:41. I'm a little hungry. Look at these ribs. They look so meaty. It's kind of freaking me out, but I know it's jackfruit. Look how good this looks. Oh, this is so crazy. I already tried the ribs and they're amazing. This is the finished stir fry. I just added some sweet chili sauce onto the little mushroom patties just for fun. But when I eat this, I'll probably just like, you know, kind of mix it all together so that the sauce gets on the rice. But yeah, this is one of my favorite, quickest things. This probably took like 15 minutes to make, I would say. And it's just like the perfect weeknight dinner. You can use literally any veggies in your fridge and just like some quick minute rice. This is Greg's. Oh, he just had some little like black bean balls and broccoli. This cheese doesn't melt super well, so I think it's done, even though it doesn't look super melted. I thought this one did melt well for some reason. Oh well, still looks pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty good too. For dinner tonight, we have these little homemade seitan chicken nuggets. And I'm gonna post the recipe for these eventually. They're made in the Instant Pot and then fried in a pan. So I just chopped some of those up, and then I'm going to add some of this, focus, sweet and spicy Szechuan sauce. We just stocked up on some sauces at the store for the kind of isolation period. We wanted to just, like, you know, have some different options because we figured we'd be eating a lot of the same stuff. So we got like sweet chili sauce and some of this like Szechuan sauce. So I got that. And then I've just got my classic bok choy, some like shredded broccoli, cabbage stuff, and shredded mushrooms. And I just heated up some leftover rice that I had in the fridge. And I'm just adding a little bit of my coconut sauce, and then a little bit of sesame oil because I love the flavor of sesame oil. Just do drizzle of that. Here we have it, just our little crispy chicken and some veggies and rice. It's so simple. This is just like my absolute favorite kind of meal ever. Like, I could eat this, well, okay, I pretty much do eat this every single day, but I could eat this every single day. I could survive on stir fry alone forever. It's my favorite thing in the whole wide world. And I've been loving rice noodles lately, but since I had rice, you know, I obviously just stuck with that. I'm looking at Greg out the window right there. Are they being bad?
Yeah. Hazel listens to me now.
Good, because Hazel doesn't listen. So good. Took literally like 10 minutes maybe. We're gonna go watch The Circle now. We've been making our way through the reality TV shows on Netflix. We started with Love is Blind. Now we're on to The Circle because Katie's obsessed with it and told us to watch it. Look how yum. Okay, Greggy, let's go watch. Let's go watch Shabam. So good. Shall we spy on the dogs? What are you doing? Really? I'm gonna go out and take that stick from them. Thank you. I really thank you. Thanks, you're all dirty. Don't, you're all dirty. Here, say hi. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Gross. Willa. No. Look at you. Paw. Oh, Willa. No.